Hi. I'm just doing a little job on the Sealion engine, and I'm just taking this video because I haven't taken one recently, and I've been messing around with handycam cameras, and I've eventually gone back to the sports camera, and I'm hoping that the sound will be okay. What I'm doing is I'm trying to develop a lubrication system for the top end, the camshaft and rockers on the Sealion engine that I'm building, and so what I'm doing at the moment is I'm drilling some 093 thou holes in a piece of brass tubing, the modelling kind of tubing. It's 156 diameter, and so I'm just spotting with a centre drill the progression of the cams and the rocker shafts and the rockers. I don't know whether this is going to turn out okay or not. I'm kind of disillusioned about all this filming stuff. But anyway, what I'm doing is I've got my TIG mill here, which is computerized. I have 3 motors on all 3 axes, and I use Mach 3 as a program. And what I did was I bought a hand control, fairly cheap, about $70 I think it was, and I'm just progressing my centers along according to the cam layout, and it's just a simple thing, but I find that turning the handle and trying to add 0.437 to 0.687 on the dial is it can get confusing. So I'm using this along with the CNC stepper motors to do my pitch. So I've got one more that I have to do. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm going to switch on the control panel, which is Camtronics, and I've had it for some time now, probably 8 or 9 years. I don't use it an awful lot. I don't do a lot of CNC work, but I have found it handy in some cases. So I'm just going to zero my X, because I've just done one measurement of 0.687. So I'm going to zero it again, and then I'm going to do the steps, which is 0.437. Yeah, 0.437. So I changed the steps here. I know this is not a very good video. Where are we? That's 1 inch progression there. So then I press that, and it goes 100, 200, 300, 400, and then I press the step again, and that takes me down to tenths, and then I go again 10, 20, 30, then I step again, and that takes me down to thousandths, and then I press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's my next point for centering. So I'll just start the machine up, and I hope you're going to be able to see all this. I'll switch off the the control panel and just wind down. and I work on a readout here that I put on the side. I get down to 0, and there we are. So that's the last one. I'm going to switch off now and continue, hopefully, when I've set it up for drilling the